Standing on the edge of the Columbia Wetlands near Invermere, Katrina Levin explains how she's building beaver dams.
We go out and we get very muddy is the first step. We're trying to do it sort of low-key and as naturally as possible.
Beavers have long since left the western upland area at the base of the Purcell Mountains for reasons unknown. Their once beneficial dams left unmaintained, causing water to flow up and over, creating a stream where the wetland once was. Something Levin and a team of others are working to change with these man-made dams.
So that recharges the groundwater, that provides all kinds of habitat for organisms that live there, so higher biodiversity. And actually they even provide fire breaks in a lot of areas. So what happens, a fire will come up to that wetland and then stop.
According to Living Lakes Canada, certain areas of the Columbia Wetlands have lost over 16% of permanent open water in the last few decades. It's one of the largest remaining intact wetlands in North America and a vital habitat for a variety of animal species. But approximately 40% of this floodplain remains unprotected.
Work has been done on these wetlands for many years, but what's happening now is the exacerbation of the cumulative impacts through climate change.
It's getting warmer, it's getting drier. It has been doing it for the last 40 years, and it's accelerating.
The wetlands span 26,000 hectares, stretching from Canal Flats up past Golden for about 150 kilometers, and attract over 160 types of migrating birds.
I've definitely identified that the wetlands that have water in the spring and the fall are where the migratory water birds are. So in the future going forward, I think that is definitely a concern that we're losing water in the whole system, so we're going to be losing habitat for these species.
The group is hopeful that copying the work of the industrious beaver will help fix that.
I can go out and build this beaver dam and it's going to make a wetland. So at the end of the day, I'm going to see this massive difference and hopefully see some wildlife move into the area and able to use it. So.
Just one way that these land stewards are working to keep this vital system running and hopefully return to a more thriving ecosystem. Corey Bullock, CBC News, Invermere.